Hi everyone, I've decided to do this very random video because I'm in a really good mood and I dressed up and all. So I'm going to share what's in my work bag. So let's get into it. First of all, I don't know if you can see, it's a really big bag. I take it to office every day, so it's pretty heavy duty. It's not sponsored by Lenovo, I wish it was. So I have this little tiny water bottle and a sanitizer bottle that I carry with me on the go. I don't know the kind of things that are gonna get out of this. So I have this little bag here. Sorry, little pocket. I have another sanitizer. It's because it's almost ending and I want to finish it. I have a little punch clip. We all need one. I have my office ID card and the watch that actually our helping hand gifted to me. It's so nice. So I wore it once and then just kept it in the bag. Okay. Is it? Nothing else? Okay. So I have a sunglass. This is new. My client gifted it to me the last day. I actually don't have glasses like this. It's a first. It's a little tinted. It's cool. What I like is it has a box and it has this thing with which you can hang in your bag. So a bag in a bag. I have a little eyeliner in the back pocket. I have a packet in which I hide my sanitary napkin. I have random transparent Ziploc bag for emergencies. I have a Voodoo headphone. This is the most important thing in my bag because it takes me a long time to commute from work and to office, and this is a lifesaver because I can just put on music or rain sounds and just go to sleep. This is my wallet. It's the reason I like it because you can actually put your phone inside. Has a lot of pockets, lots of chains. That's why I like it. Another thing I love is an eye mask. I love it for sleeping in the car. And then I have an emergency porcelain, a random bath gel, okay, and some bandages. You know who to contact if you need stuff. It's me. Okay. Don't worry, the video is almost ending. I have a notepad and I do this thing. I keep the pen here. So it's very handy. I have a mouse which is from HP. So Lenovo, HP, nothing makes sense. And phone charger, laptop charger. Wait, I want to show something. Laptop, but I want to show. I have this little thing here. It's actually a card that I got from one of the wildflower workshops by Made with Love, Humaira. I have a bag inside a bag. So basically this is my little travel bag, you can say. So if I have to get out from office for running any errands, I wouldn't take this huge bag. So I just carry this. This bag, it has another little wallet with some cash so that I never forget money. I have a little water bottle I have a little bag, a bag of makeup. This is really interesting. I think I had posted it in my feed. I have a little perfume, a little lip gel, lipstick, and everything, comb, and whatnot. This has all my essentials, but I think the most it even has a little clip, cute thing. Then I have another sanitizer and then emergency food. I always have food. I know I don't look like it, but I do. So yeah, that's about it. The first time I'm doing a video like this. If you have watched it till this far, thank you. It was fun.